Hello students, and welcome to our first Prezi for Teaching and Learning in Diverse Classrooms this semester. I want to walk you through how you should each week engage the Prezi as it is a form of instruction and a way for you to think about and engage in some thought exercises. And there is generally an assignment embedded for you to complete based on the material that is presented. Again, you can use the arrows at the bottom of the screen or your keyboard to advance the Prezi. The first thing to look at is this framework from Bennett. It's a multicultural framework that is broken into 4 areas plus the goals. Take a look. Where do you see information you're curious about? Where do you see information or concepts that you feel you have a good grasp of? What do you want to learn more about? All semester, I would like us to continue to return to this framework. How do you understand social justice? How do you understand curriculum reform? How about being responsible to the world community or accepting and appreciating cultural diversity? This is the conversation. This is the language. This is the vocabulary we need to develop in order to engage that complicated conversation of education. School conditions. How do you understand positive teacher expectations or culturally competent teaching? If you look at the goals, which of those goals do you feel strongest about? How would you rank those? Is it important to combat racism, sexism, prejudice, and discrimination? Or is it more important to understand multiple historical perspectives? How do those fit together like a puzzle? What connections can you make? And where do you see yourself in this framework as a developing educator? So take some time to look at that language and engage with it and make note of it and carry it forward so that I can hear it in your developing conversations in the Flipgrid posts. We come in here, and again, I have a collection of videos. And so we first zoom into this. Welcome to Teaching and Learning in Diverse Classrooms, everybody. Again, I'm Aaron Brewer. I'm your adjunct assistant professor this semester. Watch my video, and then watch the video about participation, and then you'll want to watch the video about collaborative projects as well. By watching those videos, it will give you a base foundation to understand how the course fits together. I don't zoom into these 2 videos because they're also located in the Canvas underneath course projects. So when you're ready to start, you can watch the Out of Comfort Zone video as well as the Cultural Autobiography video. Lastly, we have an assignment, an I Am From poem. And I ask you to watch the video performed, the poem is performed by the author. And so you'll do that first. Then I let you read it here. And you can read what you just listened to. And I ask you, where are you from? What memories, people, places, food, events, and more are a part of who you are? This intro poem activity is going to provide us with a start to investigating your multicultural background. And I provide you with a template here. I am from, all the way down. So your poem should have at least 4 stanzas that you can provide, maybe using what you just listened to as a bit of a tempo template as well. Take some time to write your own. And when you're done, you're going to post it on the Padlet link that's found below. Here's another template. It's a little more specific if you need that. You can use this too. And when you're done, you will click on this link and you will post your completed poem on the Padlet. If we continue clicking along, it zooms us back out here and back to the beginning. And that is this week's Prezi.